Okay, we're going to do a rhombus construction. So the way we do a rhombus construction is we start out with a segment of arbitrary length, and you're going to do just like what you would do for a perpendicular bisector or a midpoint construction. You're going to set the compass to be more than half, except for the first time ever I'm going to ask you to go just a little bit more than half instead of significantly more than half. And the reason is I think it'll make a more interesting rhombus. So you make your swipe from one end point, and then from the other side, without changing the compass, you're going to make another swipe. And that's going to give you two intersection points, here and here. And what you're going to want to do is connect those intersection points to each of the end points. And when you do that, that will give you the four congruent sides of your rhombus. So let's go ahead and finish this. Okay, now if we finish and we draw the other diagonal in, we're going to see that these diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other, and that's no coincidence because that's what we started the construction with. So we could put a right angle in there, we could put a single tick there and there to show that that diagonal is being bisected, we could put a double tick there and there, we could use triple ticks around the outside to show that all the outside sides of this quadrilateral, this rhombus, are congruent. We also know that diagonals bisect interior angles, so we're going to end up with something that looks like this is congruent to this, is congruent to this, is congruent to this, and then we've got the same thing for the top and down. We could use a double marking there. This is congruent to this, is congruent to this, is congruent to this. So there is your rhombus construction with all of the markings to show congruence.